Let's take a look at Enjin and do some price analysis. Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. In this one we will be talking about Enjin coin. We'll be doing some key statistics first, then we'll jump over to TradingView and do some technical analysis, looking at some potential entry points and then some potential targets going forward. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, that you're also in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. You will find the link in the pinned comment and the description. So we will start off on CoinMarketCap and run over some of the key stats first. So Enjin coin, which is ticker ENJ, currently ranked 93 out of all cryptocurrencies. It is worth noting that it is on the Ethereum network. Our total supply of 1 billion ENJ, and out of those in circulation, we currently have around 823 million. We are getting a 24-hour volume of $12.6 million. And the market cap today, which is the 8th of December, is $120 million. Looking at market pairs where we're getting that volume predominantly traded, you can see quite a bit there on Binance against USDT. We have on quite a few exchanges. If you look all the way down, we are 103 recognised pairs. So if you're looking to get hold of some Enjin, they are probably on your exchange. We have a fair few pairs over on Binance. You're getting 2, 4. You're getting around 25% of the volume currently going on Binance there. There's a few Asian exchanges as well up in that list. One major point I want to just look at before we jump over to the charts. All-time highs. January 7th, 2018. That was the end of that 2017 bull run. That's pretty much the last major rise it had. What we're looking for now is to target some highs again. So that was 49 cents on the 7th of January. Currently we are trading at 14 cents, so a long way off. We did have a bit of movement back in, when was that, 2019, but ever since some all-time highs we've not been up to those levels again. So that is a key stat. So we'll jump over to TradingView now and do some technical analysis. Here we have Enjin versus the dollar. This is on a monthly time frame and it is a Binance chart. Previously marked at the all-time highs, which was 53 cents on Binance. It was 49 cents on CoinMarketCap, but we will go with the exchange on this time. I know a lot of the time CoinMarketCap is slightly out. So what we want to do is first start by marking a couple of key areas of support and resistance, and we'll work from this day and work his way back and see what we can see. So this looks like a first area to me. If you look all the way through to that wick, we actually rejected off that and rejected off that. So that is a current area of resistance at current times. So that is the monthly resistance, and we'll just work his way down and see what else we can see. Anything around these areas. I think that's close, but it's not quite one. Those are levels there, so we'll mark that up. If you look at both those two wicks, we actually rejected off there. So that is what we're currently sat on now, a level of support. Change that to a monthly. Going further down, just in case we do and drop, and let's see if we've got anything down at these levels. Nothing there. That is the next level. If you look at this wick, we actually rejected off that, and then come over through and acted as support pretty much twice there. That's 3 levels there. Let's see if we can get a couple higher, just in case. I don't think we have. That's very close to being one, but it's not quite. I think that might do, and then we'll drop into the weekly. Yeah, we'll drop into a weekly. I think we've got enough levels there at the monthly time frame. Again, zoom right out. What I'm going to do this time is go from the very high point to the top left and just work his way down. I'm looking for, again, 2 weeks and see what we can get and see if anything can hit. So that looks like the next one there. If you look at this wick, we'll actually come all the way through, rejected off that wick, so it acted as support, come all the way down, and then we acted as resistance here. So that is a weekly level. Let's work his way down and see what else we can get. We want to get another 2 or 3 in here if we can, if the data gives us any levels. Moving further down, nothing there. That is the first one. Look at that. That's quite a significant area. That we actually rejected off it here, come way through and rejected off it, and then we nearly rejected off it again. I mean, very close in this area, so that is another level of weekly resistance at current prices. And then I think that might do. Yeah, that's going to do. We'll drop into the daily time frame. I'm not going to mark any daily levels here. So what I want to do is just zoom out a little bit and have a look back in time first to the 13th of March. That's when Bitcoin had that 57% dump and everything else absolutely shit its pants. And then it flew. If you just look at this in a price perspective from them yearly lows up to the yearly highs, we did a major move. We did a 750% price raise, which was around 22 cent up in price, all the way down from 3 cent all the way up to that magical 25 cent, and then we've rejected off there. So that was a major move, and obviously with every major move we do get a retracement. If we just put a fib on from the bottom of that body up to that double top that we had there, whenever I'm looking for an investment in a project that's done a major move, I always look to the 618 level, and that very nicely corresponds with a monthly support level. So as you can see, we come down here, we close pretty much 1, 2, 3 bodies, if we just zoom right in around that area, and then we've shot back up. So that to me confirms that we have done a retracement, and the next thing to do is target for higher levels. If I were looking a few months ago, that would have been my area to buy, but obviously I've missed that. I'm not holding any Enjin, but I'm doing this analysis for a few friends and anyone else who's interested in buying Enjin. So if we just again zoom out and have a look at current prices and have a look at some potential entry points going forward, again we'll use a Fibonacci for this, and we'll just start from this move up to the double top there. So again, if you're looking for an investment price, I think this could be a good area to buy around here at the 618 level, or even this level. To be honest, we have pretty much stopped at this monthly level of support. We're currently sat on that. We have wicked through it, so the potential is that we could wick through it again. If you look at all these wicks that we've had, it is quite a wicky coin. I mean, everything, the body's closed fairly in the middle, but it's very, very wicky, and it shows that there's quite a gap in trading there. So the potential is to hit 618 is quite substantial. I think that is a potential entry point there at 13.5 cents. So I have some orders in there if you're looking to invest. Otherwise, I think this is a good area of monthly support. It is acting as support a minute. We've closed a lot of daily candles above this area. If we do drop through it, then I think it's only going to be a wick, to be honest. So that is a potential area to invest. If we just get rid of that and get rid of Fibonacci and have a look at what we need to do to start on a bullish trend. So currently we're having a bit of a dump. That's not due to Enjin, that's just due to market sentiment. Everything's a little bit red today and it is taking it out. I think it's about 5-6% down on Enjin. What we need to do to remain intact, because this looks like pretty much a bullish trend. If you just take the bodies, for example, it's only the wicks that are dropping down. So we are still bullish. I think this is going to be the last point, to be honest. I don't think it's going to lower than that. We will start pushing up, and the next level to target is 16.6 cent. If we do close a daily candle above that, then this is the next target. I mean, you could say we've got a couple of daily levels down here. This could be, look at all these wicks around here. This could be the next major level to target, in and around this area. That's anywhere from 17 cent up to 18 cent. But I do think that the next major resistance is this weekly support at 19 cent. You could call it close to 20 cent. Once we start pushing up there, then we can really try and explore higher targets. But what I will do, once we start pushing up and we do break a daily candle and it closes above this level, at 19, we'll call it 20 cent. Once we close above 20 cent, I will do a further analysis video and we can then look at targeting some higher levels. But to me, this still looks bullish. It is very wicky, but that's just what we got to deal with. And I do think that once we start pushing up here, these levels will soon fall. This does look like a key area on the daily to break through, but if we close a daily candle above that as well and that, then it will be bullish. This is a bullish trend and there's nothing to say it isn't so far. To turn bearish, we will need to see some candles pretty much dropping down to this area. I think we've pretty much done that already. So that is just a quick fire analysis on Enjin. Some areas to buy down here was at about around 13 cent, I think it was, and then but potential areas to target are, first up, 16.6 cent is a major target. Break through this, close some daily candles above it, and I'll do some further analysis. So that'll do it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you do subscribe to my channel, join my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops, and I'll catch you next time.